Yeah, I do tell people these days that life has been made easy as a result of the advent of AI. Okay? Life has been made easy. And you, as a trader, you don't need anyone to give you signal anymore. Okay? I am being honest with you. If you understand how to use AI, you don't need anybody to give you signal anymore. I'm going to give you an AI indicator. I'm also going to teach you how to use your chat GPT to generate signal. Okay, all these things life has been made simple. Okay, all you just need to do is, just do the right thing and get the right result. It's as simple as that. Okay, if you couple this video with the AI indicator I am going to give you, if you follow the instruction, believe you me, life has really been made easy as a trader. Okay, let me just show you something, how to use a ChatGPT to analyze your chart. Okay, this is my chat GPT. You can actually use it on your mobile phone and other, but I am using it on a desktop. Okay, so I have taken a screenshot from my Forex trading chart. So let me just bring it here. Okay, this is a screenshot of Euro USD. Look at what I'm going to do. Analyze. Yeah. Remember, your prompt, both of us can use the same chat GBT, but we are going to get different results depending on the prompt we are using. Okay, as a professional forex trader, give me a sniper entry with a tight stop loss and DP of 1:3. Okay, so let's wait for ChatGPT to give us our entry. First of all, it's going to tell you that this is USD, the chart, and whatever it is. Okay, so look at this. Direction is telling you that it's a buy. Can you see that? Entry around is telling you to enter around this. After price breaks and closed above the small pullback level with momentum confirmation. Can you see that? The stop loss, it has given you where you will put your stop loss. So just below the recent rejection wick and short-term support zone around 20 pips, risk. TP has also given you where you are going to enter your TP, about 60 pips target, which gives 1:3. Can you see that? Why this setup now is giving you further explanation. Price has just bounced from a short-term demand area near, okay, it's giving you explanation. Strong bullish rejection candle formed after the drop. Clean upside liquidity targets are getting above this. You can see the explanation. Market structure on 1 hour shows potential recovery after the sharp. Can you see that? Risk note. If Euro USD fails to hold around this, it's giving you explanation. The bullish setup is invalid and you should step aside. Can you see this? Okay. Can you see this? Now, which signal provider is going to give you this? All you just need to do is to obey this instruction that has been given. If you do this, like I do tell people that life has been made easier if you understand how to use ChatGPT. Okay, as a trader, if you understand how to do this, the work is very easy for you. Okay, all you just need to do is to just screenshot your chart. Then, if you are having problem with prompts, okay, because where you're going to have problem is prompt, just copy this, okay, and paste it on your chat GPT and wait for it to give to analyze the market for you and give you your entry. And when it has given you your entry, just do as it has said. It has given you your entry, it has given you your stop loss, it has given you your TP. What else are you looking for? Why are you still paying for signal? Why are you still paying for signal? Stop paying for signal. Okay? All you just need to do is to understand how things works. That's it. All right. I wish you the very best. And if you have any question, I'm always open to take your questions. Bye.